babe. Martin! Your wife's calling!
What?
Parehas kaming babe!
Layla, don't answer.
Why? I'm just gonna tell her lang naman na matulog na siya. Kasi 'di ba hindi ka naman nauuwi.
Layla, come on. Not joking, okay?
You know I do what I want. Hello?
Palagi ka naman ganyang, Isa. Mas inuuna mo pa yung trabaho mo. Pati buhay mo, ibibigay mo dyan sa firewall na yan. Kaya mamili ka, ako o yung firewall.
No, you're not gonna get your phone, Martin! Martin! No, no, no! 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 Wait, you got it! There you go! Go! Got you.
Hindi ko talaga sinagot.
Crazy.
I know.
So crazy.
I know. But why don't you call her back? Baka magduda yun. At pumunta dito, alaka, huli tayo.
Alam mo, kanina mo pa ako pinaglalaruan eh.
Ang hate mo kasi pag kinakabahan ka. You're like this kid trapped in a man's body.
Kid, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Tignan natin kung sino ang cute. Pinaglaruan natin.
You know what, Martin? Don't just say it. Just do it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.